Hey United, and thank you for this awesome question. This is from 1.2 Ohm's Law, and we're going to be looking at question 3 and question 4. So question 3 says, select the option that best completes the following sentence. Doubling the voltage supplied to a circuit will halve the amount of current. That's definitely not the case, because when you double the voltage, you're doubling the force, and that means you're doubling pretty much the push of electrons through the circuit. Doubling the amount of current, that's pretty much what I've just said. So that could be the answer. Halve the amount of resistance, no. And double the amount of resistance, no, not necessarily, because that depends on the material and some other factors. So the answer to this one will be double the amount of current, okay? And because we know this now, doubling the voltage is going to double the amount of current. This is going to help us with the next question. So a circuit with a 9-volt battery has a current of 3 amps. So a 9-volt battery has a current of 3 amps. So 9 volts equals 3. Determine how much current would flow if the same circuit was powered by a 3-volt battery. So this is actually like maths. This is maths. So you're going to be using ratios. And what I'm going to be doing, So if 9 volts equals 3 amps, let's work out in this circuit what the ratio is, using the ratio, what 1 amp is going to equal to. So if I want to figure out what 1 amp is going to equal to, I need to get rid of the 3. And to do that, I've got to divide this by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1 amp. And then what we do to one side, we do to the other. What's 9 divided by 3? It's also 3. So that means 3 volts is equal to 1 amp. So that means for every amp, we're going to have 3 volts. So the question was asking how much current would flow if the same circuit was powered by a 3-volt battery. So luckily, we've just figured that out. 3 volts is 1 amp. So that would be your answer.